How to convert PDF to JPG. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best method. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So guys, first come to the any browser and search for PDF Candy. So this is a free source and I'm personally using this, and I have got the good experience with this. So just open it, and here you can see the lots of options. So here you can see the option called PDF to PNG or JPG. Let me check JPG. Yeah, this is option we have, PDF to JPG. Just select it. Now just add the PDF file, just click on it. Okay, we have one PDF here. Just select, I just select it, just open. So here you can see the option low quality, medium quality, high quality. You can select as per your requirement. So this is my PDF file. It is converting in JPG. So it's converted. Now just need to download it. So it is downloaded as JPG. You can see, just open the folder. Okay, this is the image we just converted. You can see. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.